All right, taking a look. This is a 1952 Chevy 3100. This is a fresh build, sitting on an S10 frame, power steering, power brakes, 327 engine, 350 trans. Just a fantastic looking truck. Obviously the fenders done in high gloss black, the rest of the truck left in patina state. All new wiring. There's the fuel cell in the bed. Metal S10 bed floor. It does have some rust in the cab corners, but the truck is very solid beyond that. Floors are solid. Very fun truck to drive around. It's got the cool visor. Put in a little heads-up speedo. Other than that, just the tri gauges that work. Interior has been done. Really neat old school seat, headliner, door panels all match. Fire this up. Let's have a tack, B&M style shifter. Nice sounding exhaust. Look under the hood here. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, 327, sounds good, runs good. Got heat hooked up, no AC, new wiring. Just a couple little things on the truck. The passenger door, it's shut tight right now, but sometimes it takes some doing. Well, it's locked from the inside now, but you kind of have to slam it shut and then lock it so that latch could be adjusted. When you first start it in the morning, you do have to pump it real good. After it's been started, it fires right up during the day. But it runs down the road good, does what it's supposed to do. Really fun truck to drive, turns a lot of heads. There you go.